Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I got a few of the newer Rough Rider Reserve knives in. Now this one's been around a little while. Of course, this is the two-bladed red jigged bone Congress. This is Rough Rider Reserve 044. This one has been around for a little while, but they had a bunch more come out. I'd say what, at least 3 or 4. I forget how many are in the box over here. But I picked them up. And this one is a little bit different. I have not done this with a Rough Rider Reserve knife yet, but this little guy is going to be our December SMKW affiliation knife. I've been trying to think about it, and I mean, I guess if I go back and look at every video I've done as an affiliation knife video, I may find a slip joint. If I do it, I haven't done it very often. Let's put it this way, and I definitely haven't done it with a Rough Rider Reserve before. So we're going to do it with this one. But like this, Rough Rider Reserve, of course, you've got the bomb shield coming in there. Very nice. Red jig bone, as I've said. Brass liners. Let's take a look at that back spring. Tell you what, this one looks really, really pretty darn good. Absolutely. Now, pins. The pins are done pretty well, too. I mean, they're a little exposed due to the jigging. But other than that, very good. Transitions are pretty darn good. Yep, both side transitions. Pins, not bad. Not bad at all, especially with the jigging going on. Overall, fit and finish of this knife is pretty darn good. Check the blades, how the blades are sitting. There's no evidence of blade rub or anything like that. So, now I didn't get this one back here, oh shoot, how long has it been? A month or so ago when I had the other 3 or 4. Kind of left this one, and the reason I did is because I'm not a huge fan of Congresses. The Congress blade pattern, it's just not really my cup of tea because, well, like I said, I liked single-bladed patterns. And I don't know. It's just not one of my favorite patterns. Yeah, it's not a farmhand or sodbuster-ish or a Barlow or something like that. So, but I got it. I got it now. So, this little guy, again, D2 blade steel. Now, you're going to have, like I said, 2 blades. You've got the match stripe pulls on it. You got this nice little, they're calling it a little sheep's footy blade there. Nice, thin, slender blade. There you go. 044, D2. Got a nice little swedge on it. Not a beefy blade at all. I mean, it's a smaller knife. Got a nice half stop. Initial pull, 5. It's a fairly easy pull. I mean, it's not going to fall out or anything. It's not super, super snappy into that half stop. Drops decent. Again, that one actually might be, yeah, it's about the same. It might be a little bit stronger of a pull on that. Maybe a little over 5, we'll say. They're calling this, I mean, it looks like another little sheep's foot. They're calling it a little pen blade. But there you go. Again, match strike pull. D2. It's got a nice little choil and stuff on it. You know what? Let's just, for the heck of it, let's just give it a quick. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Well, not too bad. Let's check the main blade. I have not done a lot of cutting with this knife. Ooh. There we go. I probably could use just a little bit of a strop on the main. The little pen blade was actually not too bad at all. But you've got that, obviously, you've got that sway going. So, all right, let's see. Let's get a quick spec check going on here. What do we got? 3 and just over 3 1/4 closed. Now your main blade's going to come in at about 2 1/4 with about a 2-inch cutting edge. And then your little sheepy pen, that's going to come in at just shy of 1 3/4 with about, just shy of 1 1/2 on the cutting edge for that one. But overall, it's a nice looking little knife. I mean, like I said, I mean, I have no problem saying that it's not my favorite pattern, because it's not. It's true. Congress, and then it's a multi-bladed pattern. But overall, just the knife itself is done really pretty well. There's no real glaring anything that I can find. The only thing that I said I saw, is in that jigging, that pin's a little bit exposed. Probably could be maybe down a little bit more. But other than that, very well done. Very well done little knife. If you're a collector of slip joints, this one might not be a bad one to have in your collection. Now, at the time I record this, it looked like regular price was $57, but they've got it on sale for $50. Weird price, $50.14. Okay, I mean, that's what it's on sale for. But as I did say, this is our affiliation knife for the month of December. Yes, it's kind of late. I'm getting to it a little bit late. I mean, with the holidays and everything else, yeah, it's just going to have to be late. Hopefully, I mean, you're going to see this, I might not get I usually like to let these go for like a week or so. We'll see. I might not let it go that long just so I can get it done in December, and because things are going to start getting really busy after the new year. And when I say after the new year, I'm talking about the day after New Year's. Things are going to start getting really busy. So we'll see how long I leave this up. But appreciate you guys stopping by, checking it out with me. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this little knife. Like I said, Rough Rider Reserve 044 two-bladed red jigged bone Congress. Not a bad little knife. So remember, leave that comment down below. That gets you a shot at winning this knife. I'll do the drawing here, I don't know, in a few days. That's about all I'm going to say. It'll be done here in a few days. So, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.